In this video, I will be demonstrating how to comment on records and mention collaborators in Airtable. So undoubtedly, there's going to be a point at which you want to communicate with other people through your Airtable base. And the best way to do that is to use the commenting feature in Airtable. So say we have our tasks here and we want to comment on this task and send a message to someone else so they can take some action on this task. What you will do is you will open up that record, and on the right you're going to see this activity pane, which will also serve as the comment pane where you can leave a comment for anybody else who is a collaborator on this base. It's very important that they also be a collaborator, or else you will not see them as an option to mention. So I'm inside of my comment pane. What you do is click the @ sign, type the @ sign, and then choose who you want to mention. Then you can type any type of message and send it to them. And as soon as you send this comment, it will show up as a notification inside of their notification pane. The other way to mention people inside of an Airtable record is to use a long text field. So say you have a field that represents your notes. You can also mention people by opening up this field, again using the @ sign and mentioning them through this channel as well. So as soon as you do that, it will mention the user and they'll receive a notification that you have left a message for them on a particular record. So that is how to comment on records and mention users. Stay tuned for the next video.